Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to study about a very important topic, and that is nodals pollution. What are nodals and how they are creating or causing pollution? We are going to study that. How they are creating oceanic pollution. That is the marine pollution. कैसे nodals की वजह से marine pollution हो रहा है, marine life is at threat because of nodals. We are going to study that in detail. Now, this article is really important. This topic, this lecture is really important from the perspective of GS paper 3, prelims and also your interview portion. आपके interview portion के लिए भी important है ये. ठीक है, because climate has been in focus now, so that is why we need to prepare all kinds of adversities that our climate is facing and what can be the possible impact of the same on not just the environment but also on human life. Okay, प्लस मेक श्योर दैट यू टेक डाउन नोट्स इन द लेक्चर इटसेल्फ. पीडीएफ पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं होना. ठीक है, दैट इफ यू आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन पीडीएफ दैट मीन्स यू आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन स्पून फीडिंग एंड नोबडी हैज अचीव्ड एनीथिंग इन लाइफ विद स्पून फीडिंग. सो इफ यू आर अ स्पून फीडर then you have to drop that habit. Okay, so make sure that you take down your own notes because your own notes will help you to revise very faster, okay, during the examination. Plus, during making notes, when you are making your own notes, your mind also gets activated, so your understanding capability also increases. So that is why you need to take down your own notes, instead of being dependent on somebody else's notes or pdfs. Let's get started. So when we talk about nurdles, these are nurdles. As you can see in the image, these are very small pellet of plastics which serves as raw material in the manufacture of plastic products. जितने भी plastic products बनते हैं उसमें ये जो bead like आप देख रहे हो ना, small plastic particles, these are nurdles, these are used. These are form of microplastic. ये microplastic है, जैसे मटर का size होता है ना, उसी size के ही होते हैं, उससे भी छोटे होते हैं. So why they were in news? Because there was a quantitative analysis of microplastics along river Ganga. This was a study which was done. It was conducted by a Delhi-based environment NGO, Toxic Link. Okay, Toxic Link करके एक दिल्ली का NGO है, environment NGO है. उन्होंने ये study किया था, quantitative analysis of microplastics along river Ganga. How these microplastics or nurdles or small pellets of plastics are disturbing the organic or the marine life of the rivers. And there were four important findings which were highlighted in the report. First was that these microbeads, or you can call them microplastic pellet or nurdles, they were observed in Varanasi, Kanpur, but no beads were found in Haridwar. वाराणसी और कानपुर में तो ये बीड्स पाए गए हैं, बट हरिद्वार में इस तरीके के कोई पेलेट्स नहीं पाए गए अलोंग रिवर गंगा. And the shapes and nature of the observed resins, or you can say microbeads, they were, they range from fibers to fragments to films and beads. ऐसे beads के फॉर्म में भी था, फाइबर थ्रेड के फॉर्म में भी था, फिल्म्स के फॉर्म में भी था. ठीक है, इस तरीके के डिफरेंट शेप्स एंड फॉर्म्स में ये माइक्रोप्लास्टिक पाया गया. And their sources could be कहाँ से आ सकते हैं, from where they could have originated, from clothing, food packaging, bags, the polythenes that we use, cosmetics. In cosmetics also the plastics are used. That is why it is harmful for using blusher or any kind of cosmetic product on your face or on your eyes. Microbeads, garland covers, other municipal waste, in all these waste items, these microbeads were found. Before we move further, here's a small announcement. From tomorrow, Unacademy is going to increase the prices of its Plus subscription. So make sure that you subscribe to Unacademy Plus before midnight tonight, and do not forget to use code ARPITA10 ARPITA10 to get a 10% discount. Already new batches have started on Unacademy Plus from today, and optionals also have been introduced on Unacademy Plus. Make sure that you take the most advantage of this platform for your UPSC CSE preparation. The links are given below in the description box. अब बात करते हैं source types of microplastics की. We have understood the source, we have understood the key findings of the report and the definition. Now there are different kinds of microplastics: primary microplastic and secondary. So primary microplastics, they are found in the personal care products. For example, they are found in the sanitary napkins, they are found in the cosmetic products, the nail polishes that you use. Okay, so the clothes that you wear, some kind of clothes जैसे nylon के कपड़े हो गए, ठीक है, तो उसमें ये primary microplastic पाए जाते हैं, personal care products. ठीक है, और in the industrial manufacturing sector. The secondary kind of microplastics, they originate from the breakdown of larger plastics. For example, plastic bottles, fishing nets, or the tins or the other food packaging sources that you get. आप tins में खाना लेकर आते हो, ठीक है, या फिर आप पॉलिथीन में दूध मंगवा रहे हो, ठीक है, तो पनीर मंगवा रहे हो पॉलिथीन में, तो वो आपके सेकेंडरी माइक्रोप्लास्टिक्स हो गए. एंड सी, व्हेन यू परचेज एनीथिंग विच इज इन प्लास्टिक कंटेनर ना, यू आर ईटिंग टॉक्सिन्स. आप अपने बॉडी में टॉक्सिन ऑटोमेटिकली ले रहे हो. यू कैन आइदर इग्नोर व्हाट आई एम सेइंग एंड कीप डूइंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग सिंस हिस्ट्री, सिंस एजेस, or you can do something about it. If you go to purchase paneer in the market, take a utensil with you, okay, instead of bringing the paneer in a polythene or poly bag. Take a jute bag with you when you are purchasing anything or any vegetable or fruits from the market. Or what you can do is, when you are going to the market, do not परचेज प्रोसेस्ड फूड आइटम्स, ओके, फ्रोजन फूड आइटम्स. तो वो सारे माइक्रोप्लास्टिक पे होते हैं. व्हेन यू आर फिलिंग वाटर बॉटल इन योर हाउस, मेक श्योर यू हैव ग्लास वाटर बॉटल्स, ठीक है. ग्लास के, कांच के जो वाटर बॉटल्स होते हैं वो अपने पास रखो, प्लास्टिक वाटर बॉटल्स को यूज मत करो, ठीक है. सो दीज आर द स्मॉल चेंजेस दैट यू कैन ब्रिंग इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ in order to safeguard your own body also, okay, because if you have a healthy body, only then you can do anything in your life. You can aim for anything in your life. But if you do not have a healthy body, then forget about your dreams and goals and ambitions. And healthy body does not mean that physically you need to look very healthy. No, okay, there are many people who have either lost their hand or their legs, but internally they have taken care of their organs, ठीक है. तो healthy body, with healthy body I mean then you are taking care of your organs, your liver, your pancreas, your gut, your stomach, your intestines, your heart, your lungs. We are taking care of them. That means you are living in a healthy body. You are a soul, okay. And healthy body does not mean having a six-pack ab. No, it means when your organs are happy with what you are putting into them. When you are putting pizza, processed food you are bringing at home in plastic materials, in that case you are providing poison to your organs. That is unhealthy, okay. So make sure you are true to your body. Do not give commitments to your partner, give commitments to your organs, okay. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now let us understand the impact of microplastics. First we will understand the human impact. Obviously when human exposure is there to microplastics, your internal arrangement get disturbs. Your lungs, your heart, your liver gets disturbs, right? Even the drinking water that you are taking in, ठीक है, अगर आप इसको treated water नहीं ले रहे हो, boiled पानी नहीं पी रहे हो, प्लास्टिक कंटेनर में पानी रख के पी रहे हो, तो फिर unhealthy ही होता है, right? And then microplastics can reach to your stomach also, where they can either be excreted or they can either get entrapped into the intestinal lining. Then through the blood, they can flow throughout your body, causing major harm, okay. Negatively it affects the nervous system also, the hormones also. Autoimmune disorder हो जाता है, cancer inducing property है. पूरे घर में, खानदान में किसी को कैंसर नहीं है, बट आप किसी एक इंसान को हो जाता है, ठीक है. जीन्स में उसके नहीं था बट फिर भी उसको हो गया. तो वो कैसे होता है? वो इन्हीं सारी छोटी छोटी चीजों से होता है जो आप अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में इग्नोर कर रहे हो, ठीक है. And next is the marine impact. Now see, human body is getting affected so much with this intake of plastics. Just imagine how the marine organisms who are consuming these microplastics, they get impacted. And see, they have nowhere to go. You can go to a doctor, you can go to a nutritionist, lifestyle coach, etc. Where will they go? Okay, so accumulation of toxic plastics in the stomach of marine organisms leads to starvation and death. Okay, तो इससे देखो क्या होता है, वो बेचारे डॉक्टर के पास भी नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो वो बेचारे बिना कुछ कहे आपकी गलतियों का पूरा इम्पैक्ट अपने ऊपर भुगत रहे हैं, ठीक है. What you can do is reduce, reuse and recycle. ये आप बचपन से पढ़ रहे हो, बट आप में से कितने लोग इसको ट्रूली फॉलो करते हो, ठीक है. दिस शुड बी द मंत्र ऑफ योर लाइफ. प्रमोट बायोप्लास्टिक्स एज एन ऑल्टरनेटिव टू माइक्रोप्लास्टिक्स. You can invest, if you are earning, you can invest in industries manufacturing bioplastics. Cooperative and collaborative partnership among all stakeholders. That means if the government plus the NGOs plus the industries plus the civil society plus the organizations are working together, only then together we can eliminate the usage of microplastics and ensure that our population and even the marine population is healthy and protected. So this was all about the Nurdles pollution. I hope आपको इस क्लास से आज थोड़ी सी सीख मिली, थोड़ा सा कुछ नया आपने सीखा समझा और आप इसको implement करेंगे अपनी life में. Because if you are not implementing what you are studying, then what you are studying is a waste, right?